Hey guys, this is Austin. Today I'm going to show you how to do one of the most common cosmetic changes for the Fiero GT Aero nose. So this is an old bumper that I picked up from a friend for about $20. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, I'll show you in the pictures here what I'm planning on doing, but I'm going to take the bottom half of this bumper, this black lip you see here, and cut that off of this bumper, flip it upside down, and put it on the bottom side of my front bumper. So let's get started on that. Always try to cut away from yourself, never cut towards yourself. So one of the first things you're going to have to do is get a razor blade. But all you do is start by just scoring the bumper at the lip seam right here. And you're basically going to do this a couple of times, a couple of passes on each side, and then take it and flex it until it breaks at the seam. There we go. Stuff's tougher than it looks. So there's a little bit of a thicker part towards the edge where the screw hole was. There we have a little bit of separation here. Now we're going to keep doing this all the way around the whole bumper. This guy right here, or this part, does not have a crease, so you're just going to have to cut through that. Hey, alright, almost done. There we go. There we go. There it is. There we go. Our new chin spoiler. I'm going to cut the center out now. Just leave a little triangle there. Some people prefer to actually patch that with other pieces of plastic from the leftover bumper. I'm not. So if we want to make the bumper, the chin spoiler, even with the back end, meaning we want that to be parallel to the ground. An easy way to do that, instead of measuring for hours, is measure the lip here. That looks like it is about 3 1/4 at the minimum distance. And then all we're going to do is take that same distance off of this end here. And we're going to want to follow the same taper approximately as that. So you see how it's thinner over here and thicker right here. We're going to want to follow that same taper, that same angle. So you see where this taper runs out. We're basically going to mark that exact spot on this. That taper appears to be about 19 inches long to me. So that's what I'm going to use. I'll put some tape on for clarity. This tape right here begins at 3.5 inches up, and this one ends at exactly 19 inches back. So I will start, so it converges where it hits the 19-inch mark. So I will start cutting from here and the way back. I'm going to cut this section out past the tape. I marked this side about 2 inches from the outside, and I extended the tape down from this corner all the way down here, straight, making sure that this maintains 2 inches of distance so that we have some material to mount to. And this, I just extended this line out. That leaves you about 3 inches of distance here, so I'm going to cut this whole section out. Now there it is with those tabs cut off now. So I decided to use a Dremel instead of a grinder to cut this line, just so it's a little more accurate. Some pretty nasty stuff when you heat it up. There we go. So I'd wear some safety goggles and a mask of some sort. So here it is upside down. What I did was I clamped both ends. That one actually came off. And lined up these two edges right here, flush on both sides. And then first I put in a large, well actually it's just a 1/4 inch bolt with a big washer on both sides. Make sure you get about an inch washer or so. Put one there and through on the other side too. And then I worked my way back up, putting the one there. Now, honestly, I had two different model year bumpers. I had thicker plaster right here, so I put it further down. I might end up moving it up here. We'll see how it sits, because if I take this off, a little bit of a gap appears there. Might want to move that bolt up. But I'm going to actually let this sit for a few days and maybe kind of bend into place, take a heat gun to it. And that's how I mounted it. Let's go see what it looks like on the car. Well, here it is. Hood's not totally on yet. Just testing it for fitment right now. But I think that looks pretty good. Well guys, let me know what other videos you want to see. Be sure to like and comment and subscribe if you want some more videos to show up in your feed from me, so I can keep doing this. Helps me move forward. See you next time.